Hello! Today I'm showing you how I put on a thin layer of gloss medium onto my painting. I'm doing that in order to have a coat of protection on my painting and to have the colors shine and glow very nicely. So here I just put some gloss medium into a little container, and then I take a bit of it and put it on rather quickly with quick brush strokes from left to right and up to down. It's fairly easy and quickly done, and it gives a nice shine and a good protection to the painting, so I like doing it. Yeah, and that's it. It's ready to dry now and to have the sides painted in the next step. You can see that in my next video. Bye bye!